How to know which Nerf guns are good. This article explains which Nerf guns are the best and which guns are the worst. Steps. 1. Determine your needs. Do you need something small, or is bulky okay? Does it need to shoot over long distances? Should it fire and reload quickly? 2. Go to your friends' houses and try out different types of Nerf guns. 3. Go to the store and look at the different types of guns to determine which ones appeal to you and are in your price range. Types of Nerf guns. Tips. Get lots of darts for the guns. Keep the box in good shape if you wish to return the gun. Don't shoot at people whose feelings may be hurt. Warnings. Never aim or shoot towards the eyes or face.